Alright guys, thanks for tuning in to another great episode. Now today, we got sent a product from a company to test on car paint. So I washed up the wife's car here. Of course you can see it's black, which is hell to keep clean. So we're going to go ahead and test out this product here on the hood. So let me open it up and show you what we got. Keep watching. Alright, so as you can see here, there's a multiple mixture of stuff that I use all the time between Turtle Wax, McGuire's, the chemical guys, you know, El Cheapo, Dollar Tree stuff. But anyway, this company here, they sent me this little box. They sent me some of these nice, really thick fiber optic stuff here, but this is, you've probably seen them on some ads. Fortified Quick Coat Shine Armor, the ultimate ceramic coating formula. So on the back here it pretty much says spray it into clean damp microfiber cloth on the surface and cleaning, gently wipe the surface. As you can see here, pretty simple. Comes with its own spray deal. So we will go ahead and test it out here on this hood and see how well she does. So here we go, Shine Armor. Let's test you out. Alright, so basically I'm going to get this spray thing here. It has a little lock thing. Now it's unlocked. We're just going to open it up here. And it says spray into a clean, damp microfiber cloth on the surface you clean or cleaning approximately. Gently wipe the surface of the first pre-wetted filtered microfiber. Okay, so what I'm going to do a little bit different is I'm going to use a foam applicator. One thing, the smell is amazing. Man, it smells like, I'm trying to think of how that smells, but it smells good. So, what I'm going to do here is we only did half the hood, as you can see here. So this other half, I'm going to use this stuff that I always use all the time, and we'll compare the difference. basically, we'll let both of these dry, and then we'll buff it off with a micro fiber cloth and see what happens. Now let's see here how long it says to wait. Quickly switch to a clean folded dry on the cloth, buff off remaining haze before it dries. Okay, so we need to start buffing this before it dries. So we're going to use one of their new cloths here. Found out with black cars, kind of stroke in the direction of the car, don't do swirls. So just go up and down. Now I will say this, just from the feel, the Shine Armor is really giving it a slick feel compared to this Turtle Wax. Yeah, I really feel pretty good comparison to the ceramic coating. Like as far, and you can even hear it kind of make the squeaking noise, like if you're cleaning. Alright, so hopefully y'all can kind of see there's a little bit of stuff in here still. I can see it in the camera. And then, I mean, as you can tell, they're both about the same gloss rate. So what we'll do is we'll bring the wife in here and have her touch both sides. She don't know which one's which. Let's see which one she says feels better. That'll be a great comparison. So let's go get her and see what she says here. We'll be right back. Alright, so babe, we've painted, or not painted, but we sprayed the hood. One is with one side and one's with the other. Alright, I didn't tell you which one's which. So take this and fill this side with your, and versus this side, and then try it with your hand and tell me which one you think feels better. This will be a good test to find out if she even feels the difference.
This side feels smoother.
Now try touching it with your hand.
This side feels smoother.
That side feels smoother. All right, so there you have it, folks. It looks like Turtle Wax has won the battle. Because Shine Armor was on this side, Turtle Wax was over there. Now the difference I did notice is the turtle wax kind of gets a little more aggressive with the paint, where the shine armor just kind of sits up there. So that's probably the reason why that one feels different. So the next little test we'll try is pouring some water on the different sides and see how the shed comparison. Alright, so we're going to try a little bit of water here and just see the difference. Let's try the shine armor. As you can see, it didn't really do too well. Here's, which I guess they're about the same. So when it comes to shedding water, they do about the same, which is really the whole purpose of putting it on there anyway. Alright, we got it all waxed up. We're going to let it dry here, and then I will start buffing it all off. And we should have a nice little clean black car again. See, it's pretty shiny. Finish the rest of the car here.